Today we're making a doner kebab spice blend. This recipe is super easy and can be used in many dishes. I'll show you some of them at the end of this video. But let's get started. Get a bowl and add 2.5 teaspoons black pepper, 5 teaspoons oregano, 2.5 teaspoons cumin, 5 teaspoons paprika, half a teaspoon cayenne pepper, 5 teaspoons garlic powder, 2.5 teaspoons coriander, half a teaspoon chili powder, and 1.5 teaspoons cinnamon. And then you mix it. When you're done, you can transfer it into a spice jar. This spice blend is great with homemade doner kebab meat, kebab sauce, doner kebab plate, kebab baguette, kebab poutine, and marinated chicken wings, just to mention a few. What do you use the spice blend for? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.